How you doing, Fletch here? Tid's Kids Channel. Tid is my pops. He is 93 years old, and that is his nickname from when he was a kid. And I'm his kid. I'm 65. I'm retired. Woke up this morning, windows open, cool outside, and I heard a dump truck noise. Like, what's dump truck? By my house? Sprinted to the window. There they are. A lineup of dump trucks in front of my house. I'm like, today is paving my street day. Woohoo! What a day. And just think, I paid for a $2,700 ticket to watch those trucks back up, dump their tar, put it in a machine, smooth it out, and then roll it. We grumble when we pay $100 for a concert ticket. I paid $2,700 for a ticket to watch trucks and tar and smell. Well, I got the real scent, I guess. Paving. They were out there for 2.5 hours and we're done. Typical time for a concert, I guess, when you get a couple acts going. But was I happy when I got that bill for $2,700 from the city? Well, I didn't put a smile on my face. But then I reflected. You know, it's going to have value to my home. Yeah, it will. And another thing, like I had a choice. Do I write the city back and go, no, thank you. I'm good. They don't just patch or tar around your driveway. They're going to do it. And you have no choice. You pay the bill. So I will pay the bill. I will get it back. The values will just keep rising. So it'll be nice. It needed it. Definitely did need it. But we pay it and we move on. So, for your entertainment, I have filmed the process. I don't know what it is with guys. Did I get it from my father, Tid? I think he passed that one down. What's it with the guys watching the guys work? And gals. Today there was no gals. There was just guys. You got big dump truck. You got a paving machine. You got guys on rollers. After it's down, they flatten it out. I don't know what it is. Made my day. Killed 3 hours. They were done in 2.5. So, let's get to it. And I hope you enjoy it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. They did that in about 2.5 hours. Pretty fast. And the results are sweet pavement. I guess tar. They did pretty good. They did a pretty darn good job. And I can't believe how fast they were. It's crazy. You can feel the heat coming off of it. It is warm still. So, yeah, I'm excited. Crazy. Well, off to the rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. And if you did like it, hit that button too. Also, heck, leave a comment. Why you guys watch other guys work. So, again, keep it simple. And until the next time, take care.